This is a really big week for markets with three major central bank decisions that are set to shape sentiment and expectation potentially for the months ahead. So we're going to be covering them live with you in real time. The first central bank meeting to really focus on is the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. That's on Wednesday at 6 UK time. The dot plot and summary of economic projections will be intense focus, particularly the GDP projections. That's what I'm going to be looking at out of the Fed meeting, and that could really impact equity markets and the dollar. So that's one not to miss. Then we have the Swiss National Bank interest rate decision. Really, what I'm looking for here is a reopening of the prospect of negative interest rates. Stern markets have priced them out. What do the SNB say? What's their projections? What's their thinking as we head into 2025? Do they see negative interest rates as a real possibility? With inflation at 0.3%, I think that could be reopened. So it's one I'm going to be looking at for the Swiss franc on Thursday. Then we have the Bank of England interest rate decision. And again, it's the growth dilemma. And I'll be looking carefully at the vote split. In particular, I want to see if Catherine Mann and her 50 basis point rate cut she voted for last time gets echoed by any other Monetary Policy Committee members. Obviously, Dhingra, she had the same view, but she's very dovish and well known. Mann was known as a hawk, so she switched from a hawk to a dove. Now, there's some nuances to that, but what I want to see is, are there any other MPC members who see the concerns that Catherine Mann sees? So each of these events does carry significant trading potential, and we'll be covering them with you live. Watch out for your invite this week.